Tonight, Mummy and Virgo had some quality time together. Well, we do every day and every night, but tonight was a lot of fun. She was an angel. We played with some toys. I read her a nice book. I filed her little fingers and toes. She took a nice warm tubby. I massaged her tiny body with some baby oil. Brushed her hair, her head full of hair. Gave her some mummy milk. Mwah. Gave her a kiss goodnight. I love you. Now it's time to get swaddled up and into dreamland you go. To rainbows and butterfly. I love you, my sweet little. See you in the morning. Good night.